Hi there, Tara here. Today I want to talk to you about attraction marketing and building your business authentically. Really, it is hand in hand together the same thing. Attraction marketing is being able to bring people into your circle without them feeling forced to be there and without feeling very salesy. Attracting them in and being fully authentic allows them the opportunity to know if they want to work with you. Are they vibing with you in the right way? Do you have the things that they need to really upgrade what they're doing? So today we're going to dig into how that might look for products and how it might look for services. Let's start with product. When you're looking at being truly authentic and you have products that you are trying to sell, you actually have something physical or something digital that they are going to hold on to. So of course, if they absolutely need it, they're just going to buy it, right? Yes and no. So if you are in direct sales, for example, you have to actually build a rapport with your customers and clients. One thing I have found in direct sales is that quite often people who get into the business are worried about oversaturation. Are there too many people in this particular business in my area? And that is actually not something to be concerned about, especially this day and age with everything being online. What you really need to be concerned about is how are you attracting people to you? Because online now you can reach out to people way beyond your own town or your own city. It doesn't matter where your location is, it's how you reach your customers. So if you are in direct sales, this authentic piece is very, very important because your relationship with your customers and the way that you create rapport, the way that you really get to know them and that they get to know you allows for long-term relationships. I had a friend whose husband was a car salesman, not one of the sleazy ones, like a really good top-notch car salesman. And he used to have families coming to him over and over and over again because they loved dealing with him. And it's the same with realtors. They have people coming over and over and over again to work with them if they are good. But it's not just because they sell houses, it's because they can relate to their clients. A lot of it has to do with the personal relationship that they form with the person that they're selling to. And that's what you need to do with your product. So if you are in direct sales or if you make something by hand, a lot of what you do has to be done with that authenticity and being very genuine in the way that you react to somebody. It doesn't mean that you're a pushover. It doesn't mean that you give things away. It just means that you're building a rapport with the people who are in your audience so they know they want to come and work with you. And the service industry is very much the same. So actually, the service industry, it is even more important that you build this rapport and this getting to know you. A common phrase that is out there right now is know, like, trust. Have you heard it before? The know, like, trust factors. Okay. They need to know who you are. They need to like who you are and they need to trust you to want to work with you. And so you need to bring all of those pieces in. And for them to like and to trust you, you need to be you. You need to showcase the real you. And one of the biggest struggles that I find service-based businesses have is really introducing who they are and having the right tools to put that online. And the reason I say that is because quite often they're like, I don't have a product to take a picture of. So how do I make that connection piece there? The connection is you. And that is why I have different programs to help you really dig into who you are so that you can showcase yourself in the right way. Part of the whole authentic piece is to remember to take good self-care because when you're feeling good, you have better connection to yourself. You understand better of the things going on around you. You understand better for what you might want to give out and showcase to the world. So having that self-care is a very important piece. It seems kind of separate from being genuine and authentic. Your energy work, your self-care, and the way you show up all tie together hand in hand in hand. Please stay connected to who you are. Stay connected to how you want to show up. I tie my business to my life. I make sure that my business is run in a way that makes me feel very fulfilled in my life. Because when I am fulfilled in my life, I can show up purely and caring for those that I help along the way. Being in that service industry, I am able to then incorporate it with how I present myself and share. So I will share my life with you because it's important that you know who I am. It's important that you can connect with me because when you connect with me, you get this feeling of ease and calm. You get this feeling of understanding and trust because I am here wanting to see you succeed. If you were to scale where you want to be on the level of success from 1 to 100, where would you be? You'd be off the charts, right? Well, I'm off the charts right with you because I want you to succeed that much in your business. And the best way to succeed is to attract the right people into your circle because then you don't have to feel salesy. I hope that this is resonating with you. I'd love for you to come over and join me in Facebook. Down below in the description, you'll see the link to my group where we go through and we talk more about this kind of stuff. If you have a really fabulous day, click subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this. We'll talk to you later. Bye.